Whenever kids come to you and they respond to you with something negative, like a growl or a no or a get away from me, what they need to hear from you and see is they need to see that face that's kind of that poker face, that very calm. They need to see the shoulders down. They need to see the body like not all ruffled up. And they need to hear something like, you know what? If it's a rough morning, you know you can always do this first. Or you want to stand with me for a couple minutes before you go to your classroom? Because the brain becomes very accustomed at dealing with what it's used to. So even if I'm 6 years old, I may have become very good at handling negative feedback and responding to adults that are like, you just said that? But I'm not really good at responding to adults that kind of keep it at a level and give me something positive in return. So the more I experience that, the more my brain shifts and I start to like it and it becomes more comfortable for me. See, if I'm used to getting in trouble, I'm actually pretty good at it. And I don't really like it when you're nice to me that much because I'm not really good at that.